Hello everyone. Previously we studied about the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and today we study about the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is the complete opposite of the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and vice versa. These are two candlestick but pattern, which means it two needs two candles to be valid. The first one is bullish and second one is bearish. The bearish engulfing candlestick pattern occur when a green candlestick pattern is fully dominated, fully engulfed by the next bearish candlestick pattern. As you can see diagram, the green candlestick pattern appeared before, and after that, a red candlestick pattern is appeared that engulfed it previously. And the interpretation of this candle indicate the beginning of the bearish, which means the sellers are in the game and the buyers left that they roam. The key requirements for these patterns on the market must be clear on the uptrend. I will explaining it to you on chart. Let's go to the chart and find some that candles. As you can see the here, the market is on upward direction, and after this that bearish engulfing candles pattern is paired and market goes downward. If we go to the next one, as you can see the bearish engulfing candles pattern is appear. Bearish candlestick pattern is appear. Then the market is upward and market is goes downward direction. Now we can see another example. This is the perfect example. And now you can see the bullish candle is appear, but the next red one bearish engulf the previous green candle, and then the market goes in downward direction. Before we can, key requirement is market must be upward for this candle. Now we can see some small examples in lower time frame. Now you can see the bearish red candle engulf the previously green one. The first one is on market is upward. When the bearish red candle is appear, it engulf the previous one. Then the market is goes downward direction. Okay, this is all the key requirement of this. The market is must be on uptrend direction. Okay, as you can see again, I can check you example of this. This is the bearish engulfing candle is appear that engulf the previous green one. Market is before on the upward direction, and after the bearish engulfing candle is appear, the market goes downward. Okay, this is all. Kindly practice this candle as much as possible on the tradingview.com. If you have any question regarding this, kindly ask question in question answer portal. I give you response as soon as possible. Okay, we now move to the next lecture.